Hi, I'm Tony Abate, Chief Technology Officer for AtmosAir, and here we're on the rooftop at Englewood Hospital, here in Englewood, New Jersey. What we're doing today is going to be installing our AtmosAir Bipolar Ionization air purification equipment right there. Right now we're standing inside of a rooftop air handling system. What they're going to do is mount the AtmosAir systems in this supply, so that air is now enriched with ions. Those ions get spread below, and now the ions can saturate those spaces and perform all the great benefits that ionization can provide. One nice feature is that while the air handler must be shut down for a certain period of time, that time is minimal. It's usually something less than an hour, so it really provides no interruption to the mechanical operations of the building. A hospital is like a city within a city. There are patients that are staying there. There are doctors and nurses and staff that are working there every day. There are families and visitors that are coming to see people, doing all manner of things inside of this giant city, all breathing the air that's been supplied into that healthcare facility. Bipolar ion technology, the AtmosAir technology, is actually something that comes from nature. Right outside here, there are ions. But as we get into our cities and into indoor spaces, those ions have been depleted by man-made pollution and emissions. So what AtmosAir technology does is restore those levels in the indoor space to what you'd find in that clean, pristine outdoor space. The ions fill that space and saturate it with these bipolar ions. They enrich the air in the indoor space. Those ions now attack those contaminants, reducing particles, breaking down VOCs, neutralizing and activating things like bacteria, molds, spores, and viruses, really providing a safer, cleaner, and healthier environment for everybody in that occupied space on an active, continuous basis. That, I believe, is the future of where air quality should go, and that's exactly where AtmosAir is going.